Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we've got a thought-provoking topic that affects us all in various aspects of our lives. Have you ever wondered if you might be an easy target for manipulation? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to delve into the subtle signs that might indicate you're more susceptible to manipulation than you think. Manipulation can take many forms, from subtle persuasion to outright deceit, and it often preys on certain characteristics or behaviors. So, grab your favorite snack, hit that like button, and let's explore the 6 signs you're easy to manipulate. Stick around to the end because understanding these signs could be the key to empowering yourself against potential manipulative tactics. Let's get started. 1. Difficulty saying no. If you find it challenging to assert yourself or say no when someone asks for a favor, even when it inconveniences you, you may be more susceptible to manipulation. Manipulators often target individuals who have a hard time setting boundaries. 2. Seeking approval. Constantly seeking approval from others can make you vulnerable to manipulation. If you prioritize pleasing others over your own needs or values, manipulators may exploit your desire for acceptance to control your actions. 3. Fear of confrontation. If the thought of confrontation or disagreement terrifies you, manipulators can use this fear to their advantage. They may employ tactics like guilt-tripping or emotional manipulation, knowing you'll likely avoid confrontation at any cost. 4. Lack of critical thinking. Individuals who don't question information or think critically may be more easily manipulated. Manipulators often provide incomplete or distorted facts, and if you accept information without scrutiny, you become an easier target. 5. Low self-esteem. Individuals with low self-esteem may doubt their own judgment and easily defer to others. Manipulators can exploit this by undermining your confidence and making you rely on their guidance, fostering a dependency that facilitates manipulation. 6. Overly trusting. While trust is essential in relationships, being overly trusting without assessing others' intentions can leave you vulnerable. Manipulators may exploit this trust, using deceitful tactics to achieve their goals without raising suspicion. It's important to note that these signs don't definitively indicate manipulation, and everyone may exhibit these behaviors from time to time. However, being aware of these tendencies can help you develop a more discerning mindset and recognize potential manipulation. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. We love fostering conversations here, so feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. As always, subscribe for more educative content and encourages personal growth. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay aware, stay empowered, and take care.